Welcome to day 33 of the 40 days of pours. This is yesterday's dried result. I think it's so awesome. I love all the crazy movement in it. It's unlike any other thing that I have painted, so I really love that about it. And today we are going to be doing an angel wing pour using the Soulmate Twist technique. So what you want to do is you want to start with a canvas. I just covered this in black, so we didn't have to do it in the video. And I just have like a little 2-ounce cup that I use, and I stick it under the side of the canvas that is closest to me. And then for this Soulmate twist, what you're going to do is half of the cup is going to be just black, and then the other half is going to be colors. So I'll move this canvas out of the way. And yeah, Maya helped pick out our colors today. So what we are going to be doing is black on this side and red on this one. It's going to be so hard to do it in this little cup. With two different kind of bottles. And as long as you keep them even, you'll be all right. And then we're gonna do yellow. And then we are going to do green. Oops. All right. And then the trick is to pour the colors over the black part of the cup. So I'm literally gonna tilt it this way and then just go really slowly, which you're not gonna wanna do because the canvas is moving away from you. You just gotta try to keep up. And I try to keep my cup as parallel with that end of the canvas as possible. And this one didn't work out quite as, I think I totally just rushed it at the end to try to get it up there. But you can see how this pour definitely has potential to be the angel wings. I don't want to stretch it out too much. So I'm just going to leave it just like that because I really don't want to mess with it too much. And I will bring you guys in for a close-up. Okay, here we are for our close-up. I love just the kind of creepiness of it. I really like it. I like that it's kind of like abstract angel wings. I'm definitely more of an abstract artist. So thank you guys for tuning in, and I will be back tomorrow with the dried results.